So here we will discuss about the partition column chromatography. So partition column chromatography method of separation in which the component present in the mixture get distributed more likely into two liquid phases. The partition chromatography is mainly based on the separation in which the component present in the mixture distributed more likely into two liquid phases because of difference in the partition coefficient during the flow of mobile phase in the chromatography. The most widely used type of HPLC is partition chromatography. The stationary phase is a second liquid that is immiscible with the liquid mobile phase. Earlier in paper chromatography used liquid column, but in modern LC system liquid bonded phase column is used. In liquid chromatography, a liquid was held in place by physical adsorption, but in liquid bonded phase column system attached by chemical bonding, resulting in highly stable packaging and insoluble in the mobile phase. Bonded phase column are also compatible with the gradient dilution technique. So, in maximum bonded phase packaging for partition chromatography are prepared from rigid silica. This is uniform porous and mechanically sturdy. Gradient dilution. So the partition, what is the difference between the partition and adsorption chromatography? Separation on the stationary phase occurs by partition due to the difference in the partition coefficient used for liquid or liquid gas chromatography. But adsorption chromatography based on a relative difference in the adsorption of the constituent of given sample because of difference in their affinity towards stationary phase. The component of the mixture adsorb with different rate used only for liquid or solid gas chromatography. Separation of component of given sample occurs due to partition of component between two liquid phase. First one is stationary phase, that is coated with the liquid which is immiscible in mobile phase, and the stationary phase immobilize the liquid surface and make it stationary phase. The mobile phase passes over the stationary phase and separated. The separation depends upon the relative solubility in the stationary phase, stationary liquid layer, because of different partition coefficient. Different component of sample are separated. So the partition coefficient is on the basis of the mobile phases. The partition coefficient divided in two parts. First one is liquid chromatography. Second one is a liquid gas chromatography. In both of them, the mobile phase, first one have liquid chromatography. The mobile phase is liquid, and the stationary phase is also liquid. Whereas in liquid gas chromatography, the stationary phase is liquid and the mobile phase is gaseous. Gas liquid chromatography is mainly done for the separation of the volatile substances, whereas liquid chromatography is used for the separation of the non-volatile substances. Partition or liquid chromatography, a powerful separation technique which is used for the separation and analysis of acid and proteins. The basis of liquid chromatography is the distribution of sample molecule between two immiscible liquid phases, a stationary phase and a mobile phase. Whereas in the conventional liquid chromatography, the stationary phase is mechanically held to a support by adsorption employs in the liquid, mobile and stationary phase. So this is a diagram of the liquid chromatography where the mobile and stationary phase is present. Stationary phase uncoated matrix when coated with some type of solvent, and the stationary phase act as a liquid stationary phase and used for the liquid column chromatography separation. Next is gas liquid chromatography. So the a form of chromatography in which the mobile phase is gas and the stationary phase is liquid, usually a long column, used to separate and analyze compound. Sample has to be able to vaporize without decomposition based on boiling point vapor pressure. Typical uses: testing purity of particular substances, separation different component of a mixture, prepare pure compound from a mixture. Mobile phase, inert carrier gas, that is helium or not nitrogen. We can use stationary phase, that is silica bonded. The solvent is coated on the silica bonded plate. In gas liquid chromatography, compound is injected with syringe into sample injector. Compound is carried out by the carrier gas and vaporized. Sample interact with the wall of column. Some sample interact more, some less. Due to interactions of sample elute at different times, due to that is known as retention time, a detector monitor the outlet stream from the column. Application of liquid chromatography is the separation of compound containing matters, determination of compound in biological samples, analysis of drug in food product, determination of compound in environmental sample, determination of compound in biological sample, separation of important organic chemicals, used for final purification, natural extract, synthetic mixture and biological matrices. It is also used for fractionization of complex crude extract, example petroleum fraction, determination of water quality, separation of aroma molecules of wine, or determination of pesticide residue. Thank you. So here we will discuss also we discussed about the Cartesian column chromatography.